Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2016 Jeep Cherokee and I will show you which fuse to check in case your backup camera is not working. Now my Cherokee is unfortunately not equipped with backup camera, but still I will use it just to show you the location of the fuse. This video should apply to Jeep Cherokees made from 2014 all the way up to 2023. If this video is helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Fuse is the first and easiest thing to do, and then if the fuse is good, then you want to dig a bit deeper. Next thing what I would do, you want to make sure your Uconnect software is up to date, and you want to try doing soft and hard Uconnect reset. If none of this works, then you will have to take a vehicle to a mechanic to scan the module and see what's going on. Unfortunately, these cameras are quite popular of failing because lots of water, debris and mud gets into that area, and then the camera has to be replaced. The fuse you need will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood, which is right here next to the vehicle's battery. Now to leave the cover, you'll have two black tabs, one on this side, one on the opposite side. You want to press them at the same time and lift up. On the back side of the cover there is a small fuse diagram, and here you have access to all of the fuses. And the camera fuse, it's a fuse number F55, which is a 10 amperate fuse, just here in the middle of a fuse box. You want to pull it out and see if it's burnt or not. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.